Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a fast and easy focaccia. I know what you're thinking, focaccia does not sound fast and easy, but this recipe is. There are 2 resting periods, so take that time to catch up on your latest Netflix show or go for a walk. So it does come together so fast and easy, has very few ingredients, and you can add in whatever spices you want. Want to add garlic in? Yeah, go ahead. Pizza seasonings? Yes. Herb de Provence to make it fancy? Yeah, you can do that. Whatever you like. Ultimately, we're going to make this in a 9x13 pan. Yeah, your hot dish, your casserole pan, whatever you call it, we're going to be making it in that. Again, super easy, super fast, 2 resting periods. That's it. It inspired the song. Let's make focaccia, we want it now. Make it easy and let's make it wow. And if in a moment you want to add more, it will be something you will adore. Of course you'll adore it because you're adding the spices in it that you want and like. Lukewarm water, add your sugar. Stir to combine and dissolve. Add your yeast. Stir this in a little bit. Let this sit and rest for about 5 to 10 minutes until this gets foamy. Time's up. Look how foamy that got. Add your olive oil. Add your flour. Add your salt. Add whatever other spices you'd like. I'm adding herb de Provence. Stir together. Add your yeast mixture. Stir until combined and it forms a sticky dough. It should be very stretchy at this point, which it is. You'll see that. It also will not form a ball, and that is A-okay. Transfer the dough to an oiled bowl. Again, it's going to be very sticky at this point, and that is okay and a good thing. Cover and let rest in a warm place for about an hour. An hour is up, and boy, did it double in size. Look at that. Looks great. Oil your 9x13 dish. Dip your hands in olive oil if you need to, because otherwise it's going to stick to your hands. And scoop out the dough and put it in your pan. Using oiled hands, go ahead and press this into place. Lightly salt the top. Cover and let rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. It should be about a ½ inch tall. While the focaccia rests one more time, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. It definitely got puffy. Look at that. Fabulous. Into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown on top and it feels springy. Time is up. It is golden brown. Let's see if it's springy. Yes, it is. Let this rest in the pan for about 10 minutes and then we'll take it out. Once it's out of the oven, generously coat with a layer of olive oil. This is optional. And then you can add a little bit of salt on top as you like, or not. I'm going around the edge and just making sure I'm getting all of it from the bottom. And it's gonna come right out now. Look at that, lovely, lovely. Yummy focaccia. Let's cut it. Crispy on top. Ooh, nice and soft in the center. Look at this slice of a fantastic, easy to make focaccia. See, it's crispy on the bottom, crispy on top, and soft in the center. Just what you want. So it's all in the taste. So let's give it a bite. It is so good. Now, I added a bit of herb de Provence in there, and I can sort of taste that flavor first, but if you didn't add any in yours, it would be crispy on the top, crispy on the bottom, soft in the center, kind of like the perfect pizza crust, but it's focaccia. Yum. If I can make this fast and easy focaccia for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, make for your family and friends, or make for yourself. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.